Hi guys, this is Reshma, and in this given question it is said that express the following matrix as a sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. So guys, we can write if A is a square matrix, then we can write A plus A transpose as symmetric matrix, and A minus transpose of A is skew symmetric matrix. So guys, what is symmetric matrix? Matrix whose transpose is same as the original matrix, then it will be a symmetric matrix. Okay, and if the transpose is negative of the original matrix, then it will be a skew symmetric matrix. And further, we can write A as a sum of it's like symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Okay, so guys, proceeding, let's find the transpose of A. So to find the transpose of A, guys, what do? We write the rows or columns as the rows, or vice versa. Okay, so I will write the first column as the first row. Okay, so 3 3 1, that is our first column. I wrote it as a first row, and then -2 -2 1, and the last column, the third column, I'm writing is 5 and 2. So guys, this is our transpose. Okay, now let P be, we are forming a symmetric matrix, right? So guys, let's add. We'll add the first element with the first element, the second element with the second. Okay, so 3 plus 3, do you want me to add like 3 plus 3 is 6, right? 6 1 minus 5, second is 1 minus 4 minus 4 minus 5 minus 4 and 4, right? So guys, as you can see, if we find the transpose of P, it will be the same as P, right? So as P is equal to its transpose, we can say P is a symmetric matrix, right? So guys, this is the first part. Now we need to find, we will form a skew symmetric matrix. Okay, let Q be that, and that skew symmetric matrix is A minus A transpose. Okay, so I'm sure if you can see the elements now. Okay, let me write it here if you don't mind. So it will be, guys, let's subtract it. It will be 0. Once it will be 0, and then -5 -3 5 0 -6 and 3 6 0. Okay, so guys, if you transpose the skew matrix, you can see that it will be the negative of Q, right? The transpose of Q will be negative of Q, so we can say that as Q will be like, Q transpose is minus of Q, so Q is skew, skew symmetric matrix. Okay, so guys, now what we have to do, in the question it is written that we need to express the given matrix as a sum of symmetric and skew symmetric, right? So what's left is to add both of them, P and Q. So guys, now we'll add P and Q. P plus Q, if when you check it, P was half of, don't forget the half, we had the half, 6 1 5, sorry, -5 1 minus 5, okay, 1 minus 4 minus 4 minus 5 minus 4 and 4, right? And Q was half of 0 minus 5 minus 3, here 5 3 0 minus 6 and 6 0, right? So guys, what we will do, what we can do, we can keep the half as common, okay, and we'll add these two matrix first, okay. So 6 plus 0 is 6, and it will be minus 4 minus 8 minus 5 plus minus 3, and 1 plus 5 is 6, minus 4 minus 10 minus 2 plus 2 4, and now as half is there, let's divide each element. Half of 6 is 3 minus 2 minus 4, 3 minus 2 minus 5 minus 1 1 2. So guys, check it, it is the same as the first given matrix. Thus we have proved our question. Thank you.